2 to go.
No.
2 to go. All right. Well, 50-50 shot, right? I guess it doesn't much matter. Which one, though? Left, right, left, right, left, right. Which one?
That. Okay. That's what we landed on, so let's go.
Okay. I'm going to open this one. You can open the last one.
Okay.
All right.
The last is usually the best.
So. Okay. Feel it. What does it feel like in here?
Hot.
Get out of here.
Spring.
What does it feel like it's going to be in the cube?
Oh.
Nutso.
I don't know. Legendary?
Yeah?
Maybe. I have no idea.
It's right. An epic!
Epic!
Alright, look at the mushroom man-at-arms. That's nice. Wait, what's his actual name?
What is it?
Fun guy, because a mushroom is a fungus, right? So, a fun guy, right? So he's a fun guy.
Fun guy.
Get it?
Arms. Yeah.
Mushrooms are fungi. And he's a fun guy. Very clever guy. He's very punny.
Yeah.
Cool.
Punny.
An epic. Nice. Look at that meter, right? Getting up there. Number 9. Pretty good. All right. 1 to go. 1 to go. Can you believe we made it? We're all the way here. Okay. Look at this collection. Look at that 1 cube. Maybe we'll leave this sealed forever just to drive everybody crazy. No, we have to know. We have to know what's in it. All right. Well, tomorrow you'll know.